Happy to take some questions. On topic, please. Today we unseal racketeering, conspiracy, securities fraud, wire fraud, and market manipulation charges against Bill Hwang, the founder of Archegos Capital Management, and Patrick Halligan, the CFO of Archegos Capital Management, for perpetrating a massive fraud and market manipulation scheme that nearly jeopardized our financial system. This scheme was historic in scope. We allege that the defendants and their co-conspirators lied to banks to obtain billions of dollars that they then used to inflate the stock price of a number of publicly traded companies. The lies fed the inflation, and the inflation fed more lies. Round and round it went. But last year, the music stopped. The bubble burst, the prices dropped, and when they did, billions of dollars nearly evaporated overnight. Since 2014, Bill Hwang has run Archegos as a private hedge fund or family office. Now, most hedge funds are subject to rules that allow regulators to have insight into the fund's holdings and debt, rules that can shine a light on problems before they balloon into crises. Family offices are not subject to those rules. These defendants committed this fraud in the darkness. How'd they do it? We allege that Hwang invested in stocks mostly through special contracts with banks and brokers called swaps. These swaps allowed Hwang to cause massive buying of certain stocks, including at carefully selected days and times, to pump up stock prices. And he lied to banks and used a series of manipulative trading techniques to keep those prices high and to prevent them from falling. This was not business as usual or some sophisticated strategy. It was fraud. Hwang and his co-conspirators duped some of Wall Street's leading banks. Now, how'd they do that? We allege that they lied a lot. They lied about how big Archegos' investments had become. They lied about how much cash Archegos had on hand. They lied about the nature of the stocks that Archegos held. And we allege that they told those lies for a reason, so that the banks would have no idea that Archegos was really up to a big market manipulation scheme, how risky the portfolio was, and what would happen if the bubble burst one day. Well, that day came. About a year ago, the market turned, and Hwang couldn't control it. The stock prices he had inflated crashed, causing immense damage to our financial markets and ordinary investors. We started digging through that wreckage. We mastered the trading. We put the pieces together. And that's how we got here today.